barbecue lovers, beware! Electric smokers are the easiest and most effective way to add delicious smoky flavors to your meals. Today we're going to take a closer look at 3 of the best electric smokers of 2025. Masterbuilt Digital Electric MB200711117, East Oak PES23001, and Cuisinart COS-330. If you're looking to make the perfect smoky meat or vegetable, one of these models might be just the ticket. Let's get started. First on our list is the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker MB200711117, known for its robust construction and user-friendly features. Technical specifications: with 710 square inches of cooking space and 4 chrome-plated shelves, the Masterbuilt offers plenty of room for large meals. You can cook 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 pork thighs, or 4 ribs at the same time. Temperature control: the digital control panel allows you to set the temperature up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and easily manage cooking time. Special features: the patented side wood chip loader lets you add wood chips without opening the lid. This feature prevents heat and smoke loss. The adjustable air damper provides smoke control, and the fully insulated body retains heat for perfect cooking. Ideal for who? Perfect for anyone who wants to prepare large portions and is looking for an easy-to-use appliance. Our next model is East Oak PES23001 with its modern design and transparent glass door. Technical specifications: this model has 725 square inches of cooking space and includes 4 removable shelves. This feature allows you to cook many dishes at the same time. Temperature control: the 800W heating element produces consistent smoke for low and slow cooking. This ensures meats remain tender and juicy. Special features: the side wood chip loader provides continuous smoke, making your cooking process easier. Plus, the glass door means you don't need to open the lid to check the condition of your food. The remote control allows you to adjust settings without leaving your seat. Ideal for who? An ideal choice for users who want a more controlled cooking process and are looking for an appliance with a distinctive design. Finally, let's take a look at the Cuisinart COS-330 model, which stands out with its practical and compact design. Technical specifications: this model has 548 square inches of cooking space and 3 chrome-plated shelves. It's ideal for small families or users who prepare small portions. Temperature control: the 1500W heating element allows you to adjust the temperature from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide temperature range provides an ideal cooking experience for different dishes. Special features: removable water bowl and wood chip tray make cleaning and startup easy. The vertical design is suitable for use even in tight spaces. Ideal for who? A great option for small families or users looking for a compact smoker.